This advanced hair oil effectively re-enables vital biological activity within the scalp. Its benefits truly begin when the scalp environment is properly maintained and optimized. This involves strengthening the crucial scalp barrier, ensuring essential moisture is retained and harmful irritants are kept out. It also means significantly reducing inflammation, allowing tiny blood vessels to deliver oxygen efficiently, and maintaining robust microcirculation. Finally, it works by balancing healthy microbiome activity and diligently clearing away any buildup that might block the hair follicle.